Hi guys, this is Frisha and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And over the last month and a half, I have been sharing my weight loss journey and my running, my jogging, my walking, and that has been so amazing. I will continue. Today we are actually on day 45 of our weight loss challenge, and specifically by jogging and a stretch in the evening for about 30 minutes to an hour. Now in this video I am going to share with you the challenge and why most people fail at discipline, especially when it comes to many things, but in this case it's exercise, and project that to everything else that you've tried to apply discipline on, and you will see the pattern and you will be able to probably catch it and adjust and have more discipline, maybe, so that you can be able to do the things that you say you're going to do. There's nothing as amazing as keeping promises to self and to your loved ones. Now I will be very honest in this video, and I really hope that if something bites you, don't be angry, adjust, acknowledge, and that is how you learn and grow. You learn, unlearn, and relearn. All right, let's do this together. So my body has been shifting. In my previous video I've been sharing a lot of the challenges I was going through, and most people don't fail because they're lazy. No, we fail because we do not understand our bodies and our emotions and a lot of things that come with us. Discipline is not about punishing yourself. It's not about punishing your body. It's about regulation, awareness, and alignment, especially for women. If discipline was simply about motivation, we'd all have six packs, all right? Our savings account would be full and our relationship would be so peaceful. Our careers would be amazing. But that's not reality, because life, there is hormones, there is stress, there is disabilities, there is economic factors that affect every single person, and a woman's body alone is a full-time project. So today I want to talk about that. Why most people fail at discipline, why women especially struggle with consistency. And most of the time we hide behind excuses. I have a lot of things going on in my life. I have a career, I have a family, I have children, I have, there will always be something. And that's something, most of the time, if you look at why you've not been able to keep up with things you said you would do, is because you lack discipline. And you're failing at discipline, and you don't even recognize it's a discipline problem. Sometimes you just waste 10 minutes scrolling or watching something that adds no value to your life, or you find yourself just strolling and sometimes obeying to your body's cues to resist. And sometimes the body resists because it's used to a certain kind of routine, and most of the time that routine is not the healthy kind of routine. And if you teach your mind, if you teach your body, if you teach, you will develop that consistency, that discipline, that your body can be able to push further. We've done it before. Your body has done it before. Think about a body of a woman. Our body is meant to change with or without activity. Now, movement is what controls how your body changes. If you can just allow your body to move, there's a lot of things that can change in your life, and you're going to thank yourself for it. There's a lot that comes with that, and the real reason that we fail at many things is because of heavy responsibility and lack of use of the tools that we have, like for example our legs. And yes, we laugh a little in this video because let me tell you, the norms women have been told to accept honestly are wild. Most discipline advice it revolves around male biology, fixed hormones, predictable energy, and cycles that are linear, for productivity. Women operate on monthly hormones and eco cycle that people don't even try to understand. A mood, an appetite change, a strength change, an emotional structure that works totally different. All right. You're told to just push through, but that's not really possible. Pushing through is not enough. What are you pushing through? Iron changes, I don't know, PMS, evolution, or rather ovulation, evolution. Ovulation changes, mood swings. Those are the things you're being told to push through. You can't push through such things. Yes, there's what body is supposed to do, and recognizing that and being aware aware of your body, and most women are unaware of what's happening in their bodies. There's a video I made on this channel. If you can't find time to go through the channel, you'll find a lot of great insights, and most of the time I speak to women, because the reason why we speak to women is because there's a lot of uncovered things about a woman's body, even scientifically, all right? And if we ourselves can try to do that and try to enlighten, you see, even a doctor is working on something called, it's called practice, medicine practice, for a reason, because it's not 100% accurate. You're supposed to, they listen to what you tell you. When you go to the hospital, the doctor asks you how you're feeling while you're there, and and they judge your condition according to what you have said. And sometimes even if you say it, they don't get it because it's not in their books, all right? So here is the thing about us. If you do not try to understand your body, and my body is different from another woman's body, and their reaction, their genetics, and a lot of factors that goes into that. But if you can sit down and try and understand what your body does and how it responds to different things, I don't know, stress and physical energies and mental changes and mood swings or other mood changes or hormonal disruptions, you can save yourself a lot of troubles that comes with a woman's body. We can't control how your body grows. Some women have big busts, like myself. Others have big hips, like Vera Sidika, all right? And Nicki Minaj. Some women have big thighs, and while hips are not matching, they still have the big thighs. Some women have actually big legs that grow, like big legs, like someone's thigh, someone's legs on that side. And it's a lot, and these changes come with different body types and different physical changes. Some women do have some women have a very structured core area. Even when they have delivered a child, they still remain like as though they did not even deliver a child. And this is so amazing, because I just love how that turns out. But we are all different. And for example, the woman I'll be talking about is a lady whose name is called Annette. I think she has a channel where they are with the husband. It's called Annette and Slavy, something like that. That woman has given birth to, I don't know, 2 or 3 kids, and she still looks like she didn't give birth to any of those children. So I'm saying this because when a woman understands what their body does, what their body looks like, what their body responds like, they're able to take care of it better. Now, my body has never been that responsive, easy, or any of those things. But it's in the genetics. I have always had to work my body physically for it to respond to a lot of things. And that has really helped me before and now that I'm married and with a child. So that has really helped me understand that my body needs movement. My body needs physical engagement for my body to be better, for my body to feel better, for my body to look the way I'd like it to look. All right. And this also helps with a lot of things like sleep and hormonal balancing. It does help. So you will find a woman's body changing because they have sleep deprivation, mental overload, and we are expected to like perform the same as any physical person who has a mental level. That's okay. And we are not like that. That's not discipline, all right? That is self-abandonment. Women, listen to your body. I recently went through a serious shift in my menstrual cycle. I talked about it in my previous video. And my discipline honestly felt fragile at that particular time. I was so tired and I was unmotivated sometimes. You know, even that emotional, being overwhelmed emotionally by those shifts and changes. So I started walking, and this is why you should start walking, because walking gave me consistency that I badly needed. It helped me keep my discipline. Walking is gentle, sustainable. It is not intimidating. Hormones, they just feel so good. It is hormone friendly. Walking is healing. Your body wants movement, not punishment, not exhaustion, not extremes. All right? Movement is medicine. And here is the powerful truth. A woman who moves the body daily outperforms a woman who waits for a perfect motivation or a perfect timing. Your body is meant to move, to stretch, to expand, reform, reshape. You've seen it since the time you turned a teenager. The transition is there. Your shape will not remain the same for a lifetime, but you can change the outcome by natural walking, natural movement. Pregnancy, childbirth, hormonal shifts, stress, career, age, all things that are a factor. Change is inevitable, but decay is optional. And that is what walking changes. Walking gives you a chance to take charge of what happens to your body internally and externally. Walking gives you a chance to feel something. Second, movement is emotional medicine. Daily walking regulates stress, hormones, moods, and motivation. It is the simplest form of sustainable discipline. Third, your body will change. But you control the outcome. Transition is natural, decay is optional. Intentional movement keeps you strong, flexible, and mentally sharp. Women, allow the transition, but don't surrender to decline. Your body is powerful, your biology is intelligent, your discipline is rebuildable. Start small, walk, breathe, stretch, move, dance. Your future self is waiting for the version of you who chooses gentle consistency over extreme pressure. If you loved this message today, if you walked with me in my afternoon walk after I decided to stop the video midway, if you would like more life mastery video, please subscribe to my channel and share this with someone who loves it, someone who will need it, someone you think would appreciate it. Let me see you in the next video. Let's work with our bodies to live better, to love better, and to share better.